In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can download the Windows 10. So first of all, go to Microsoft website and you go to download it. Okay, then you click Windows 10. Scroll down and you go to create your Windows 10 installation media. This one, just click it. Okay. Let's wait. Then open learning. This is the simple way how to download your Windows 10 from official website, Microsoft. It will take some time. Okay, scroll down, then you accept. What do you want to do? Upgrade. And the second one is create installation media. I need to create installation media. Select the next. Okay, yes, uncheck this one. Okay, then next. Flash USB, no iOS file. Next. Select download, then you save. Yes. The downloading will start. So it will take some time to download this Windows 10. So you need to wait until the downloading is complete. Yes, the download is complete. So let's go to downloads. And let's see here. Yes, that is how you can download Windows 10 in your official website from Microsoft. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe, like, and you comment.